Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can connect Hotspot to your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Right here, as you can see guys in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. So basically guys, right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, if you want to connect Hotspot to your PlayStation 5, first of all, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. Once you're here, go ahead and search for network. Then click on it. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find connection status and also settings. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. Once you do that, make sure you enable connect to the internet and then go ahead and click on set up internet connection. Once you do that, right here, you're gonna find all of the available network so that you can connect to. Just choose your hotspot and then click on it, then enter the code if there is a code. Once you do that, you're going to be able to connect to hotspot on your PlayStation 5. If you want to test your internet connection, click on connection status and then click on test internet connection and then just wait a little bit for it to test. Then you're going to get all of the results for your test. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.